Twin Cessna 0 Mike Bravo, the Cherokee open is a right turnout. Wind calm, runway 28 right, clear for takeoff.
Way to go, 28 right, 340 Mike Bravo, roll.
Cessna 86 Echo, runway 28 left, line up and wait.
Line up and wait, 28 left, 3386 Echo.
Citation for Golf Alpha, runway 28 right, clear to land, wind 3203.
Clear to land 28 right, for Golf Alpha.
Montgomery Tower, Cherokee 172 November on the ILS 28 right.
Cherokee 172 November, Montgomery Tower, runway 28 right, continue. Cessna 86 Echo, make a climbing left turn northbound, wind 310 at 3, runway 28 left, clear for takeoff.
Climbing left turn, clear for takeoff, runway 28 left, 3386 Echo.
Lights, camera, action. Everything's good. Yep, there we go.
Twin Cessna 0 Mike Bravo, contact SoCal departure.
Order SoCal departure, 340 Mike Bravo, good day.
Okay.
Almost at rotate speed. There we are. Nice climb. Engine's good so far.
Traffic.
Citation for Golf Alpha, turn left at Foxtrot, cross runway 28 left at Foxtrot, and contact ground 118.22 today.
Okay, left at Foxtrot, crossing 28 left and over to ground for Golf Alpha.
Cessna 86 Echo, contact SoCal, approach 125.3.
Going to SoCal, 125.3, 86 Echo.
Cherokee 17 November.
Morning SoCal, Cessna Skyhawk 3386 Echo, 1,400 climbing 2,900 over Montgomery Field, headed northbound, over the Miramar transition.
Number 3386 Echo, SoCal approach. Did you want a flight following to a destination or just a transition to Bravo?
Yeah, I'd like a flight following all the way to San Bernardino Airport at about 4,500 feet. We are a 172 Slant Golf.
36 Echo, Roger, squawk 0226, and you are clear to the Class Bravo airspace.
0266 and clear to the Class Bravo airspace, 3386 Echo.
Number 86 Echo, 0226.
0226, 86 Echo.
That was 5198, contact approach 124.35, good day.
Cessna 3386 Echo, traffic 2 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, 5,800 indicated. Looking for traffic, 86 Echo. Cessna 1784 Romeo, traffic 12 o'clock and 4 miles southeastbound, 5,600 indicated.
84 Romeo, negative on the traffic.
Here's 9 Golf Kilo, contact Palomar Tower, 118.6 today.
I tell them it's not a factor, but I don't need to clutter up the radio frequencies already.
Here's 199er Golf Kilo, contact Palomar Tower, 118.6.
Very busy.
118.6, Niner Gun.
Cessna 483, Sierra Bravo, contact approach 125.3. 125.3, November 84 Romeo, traffic on factor.
84 Romeo, roger. We'd also like to cancel. We have the airport in sight. Like to cancel flight following.
84 Romeo, roger. I got a bunch of traffic ahead if you prefer you stay with me here. Traffic to 11 o'clock in a mile, 4,500 to Cessna, and 12 o'clock and 6 miles off this direction, 4,500 indicated.
Roger, 84 Romeo, roger. We'll stay with you.
4 Romeo, suggest 30 degrees right and descend at your discretion.
30 right, start descent, 84 Romeo.
Cessna approach, Cessna 734, Delta Tango, 5,500.
Cessna 3386 Echo, traffic 1 o'clock, 3 miles, opposite direction, altitude indicates 4,600.
Looking for traffic, 86 Echo.
November 32 Juliet, remain at 5,000, or correction, at 6,500.
6,500, 32 Juliet.
November 86 Echo, turn 30 degrees left.
30 degrees left, 86 Echo.
86 Echo, traffic 1 o'clock, 2 miles, opposite direction, 4,500 indicated. If not in sight, suggested descent.
Okay, I'll go ahead and descend. I don't have a bench site yet, 86 Echo.
November 4 Delta Tango, advise when you have Papa at Ramona.
4 Delta Tango.
November 86 Echo, traffic 2 to 3 o'clock, 1 mile southbound, 4,400.
Traffic in sight, no longer a factor, 86 Echo.
86 Echo, roger, resume your navigation.
Resuming ONAV, 86 Echo.
November 154, turn right heading 160.
160, 154.
154, disregard that. Continue eastbound, traffic off your left side, 9 o'clock, 3 miles southeastbound, 4,400 indicated. Maintain VFR at 3,600, heading 070.
070, 3,600, 154.
SoCal Paris 3, climb it to 14,000 with jumpers. Paris 3, thank you. November 3386 Echo, radar service terminated, squawk VFR and contact March approach 133.5 if you'd like further flight following.
Okay, I'll squawk VFR, go to 133.5 for further flight following, 86 Echo.
SoCal Cessna 19369 or level 4,500.
19369 SoCal approach Ontario, altimeter is 3010 headed to Corona today.
Yes, that's affirmative 369.
Thank you.
Morning, March Tower, Cessna Sky 3386 Echo at 4,500 over French Valley. Looking to pass through airspace on my way to San Bernardino.
Number 86 Echo, squawk 0144.
0144, 86 Echo.
So they're going to be doing some jumping out here today. Gonna head this way a little bit, which is off. Giving myself some room for Paris, which is where they're going to be doing the jumping.
86 Echo, radar contact 2 south of French Valley, 4,600, altimeter 3012.
3012, 86 Echo.
Number 86 Echo, the jump zone at Paris is active. Are you familiar with that area?
Yeah, as a matter of fact, I was just going to ask you about that. I'm going to go ahead and head for the lakes over there, try to stay out of their way. I think I just need to stay east of the 15, is that correct?
Yes, sir.
Got it, thank you, 86 Echo.
They should be heading me off here pretty soon.
Number 86 Echo, squawk VFR radar service terminated, change to San Bernardino group.
Okay, squawking VFR going to San Bernardino Tower, 86 Echo. San Bernardino Tower, Cessna Skyhawk 3386 Echo, 4,100 feet descending, coming out of March Air Force Base, inbound for full stop with Sierra.
Cess 3386 Echo, San Bernardino Tower, make right traffic runway 6, report crossing Interstate 10.
Okay, report crossing Interstate 10, enter the right pattern for runway 686 Echo.
Alright, you expect the bumps here. Wind's coming over there. That's what we're getting. I always get little bumps over these hills.
San Bernardino Tower, 40336, right down on the beam, will be another full stop.
Cessna 336, runway 6, clear to land, wind calm.
Runway 6, clear to land, 40336.
Cessna 21 Quebec, turn left at Alpha 1 and say parking request.
Take me back to Transient Progressive 2, please, for 21 Quebec.
Says 21 Quebec, Roger, you want to go to transit parking?
10-4, 21 Quebec.
Says 21 Quebec, Roger, taxi straight ahead on Alpha 1 onto the ramp and past the tower.
21 Quebec.
San Bernardino Tower, Cherokee 7474 Whiskey, 9 miles west, 3.5, landing with Sierra.
Cherokee 7474 Whiskey, San Bernardino Tower, make straight in runway 6, report crossing 215 freeway.
Straight in for runway 6, and we'll report crossing at 215, Cherokee 74 Whiskey.
Almost at pattern altitude. Yeah, so even dropping 1,000 feet a minute isn't that big of a deal.
Cessna 21 Quebec, continue northbound on the ramp. You'll pass a hangar in the center of the ramp and it'll be a half left turn. Luxaver is in the northwest corner of the ramp. It's the building with the arch roof and green glass front.
Well, I appreciate your help. 21 Quebec.
86 Echo, passing over the 10 freeway.
Cessna 86 Echo, wind calm, runway 6, clear to land.
Clear to land, runway 6, 86 Echo.
Okay, give a little left rudder here as we come in. Pull the power back. RB's out, even though it's a nice hot dry day, probably not really an issue. Let's see, we got landing traffic down there. Pull. Okay, so gas. Fullest. Undercarriage down and locked. Mixture full rich. Prop is full prop because it's always a full prop. Seatbelts and speed. So we're at about 80 knots.
Cessna 866, runway 6, taxi back via left turn on Alpha, remain this
Start a
frequency.
base turn right here.
For 336, left on Alpha, this frequency.
For me.
Good little nose up trim. Slow down a little bit here. We are high, so we can go ahead and drop. 20 degrees of flaps.
For Whiskey's crossing 215.
We're 74 Whiskey, Roger. Continue. You'll be following the Cessna on final report in sight.
74 Whiskey, looking.
30 degrees of flaps.
Number 86 Echo, I don't have you in sight. Verify you are on final.
86 Echo, short final, just about to touch down.
Roger.
Okay, heels on the floor.
Whiskey number 1, runway 6, clear to land.
clear to land runway 6, and we got that Cessna on the ground.
Good. Nice solid landing, nice and soft. Flaps up. Car beat in. We don't really need brakes.
Traffic.
San Bernardino Tower, Cherokee 41978 is 9.3 to the west, inbound for landing with Sierra.
Cherokee 41978, San Bernardino Tower, make straight in runway 6, report crossing 215 freeway.
All right, we'll go ahead and make straight in for 6 and report crossing the 215 41978.
Cessna 86 Echo, say parking request.
Headed over to Luxembourg.
Cessna 86 Echo, taxi to Luxembourg via Alpha 1 in the ramp, remain this frequency.
Okay, remain this frequency, taxi via Alpha 1, 86 Echo.
So we're going to get some video here. There's some cool stuff going on. Not really going to do the after to landing checklist, just going to get in, clean out the mixture. Bit. So, to our right here, a whole bunch of military aircraft and then...
Good morning, San Bernardino Tower, Skipper 38062 is 11 miles to the west of the airport, inbound for landing runway 6, information Sierra.
Lots of birds out here.
Skipper 38062, San Bernardino Tower, make straight in runway 6, report crossing 215 freeway.
Couple of old,
traffic at Cherokee also inbound from the west.
747s.
Wilco 062, straight in for runway 6.
Number 74 Whiskey, say parking request.
Who
Luxembourg,
knows?
74 Whiskey.
Number 74 Whiskey, taxi Luxembourg via Bravo Charlie and remain this frequency.
Bravo Charlie, remain this frequency, 74 Whiskey.
These may just be,
San Bernardino Tower, Cessna Alpha 226, holding short of runway 6 at Alpha, request to right cross traffic.
Cessna 40336, San Bernardino Tower, runway 6, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 6, 40226. San Bernardino ground, Cessna November 255 Lima.